Hey all, Dr. Campbell here. So, a couple quick comments after grading your critical thinking assignment. First of all, I wanted to draw your attention to the grading rubric that I use for all of the critical thinking assignments. And I wanted you to take note of the fact that you can still have a very good submission, but not get 100. So again, the way I grade these is it's absolutely excellent. You put thought into it. You demonstrate a very high level of knowledge, understanding. It's concise. It's well organized. Then you get an excellent, and that's 5 points. You can still have done a really good job and get 4 points. But I do have, as I said in my introduction video, high expectations for you in this course, and you'll see that in the way I grade your items. So again, after you get your grade, please take a look at the grading rubric and then feel free to email me. I'm more than willing and up to going over each of your submissions individually. However, please do take note of the grading rubric first. Shoot me an email. Let me know your concerns, and then we can talk through it. Also, I'd like to say that if you didn't do great this time, now you know how I grade, what my expectations are, and if this is the only time that you get a 2 or a 2.5 and the rest of them you get 4s and 5s, then I'll drop the first one. I care more about the fact that you're willing to put in the effort and the time and than I am with any single grade that you get in this course. I think I'm very fair when it comes to that. I care more about you doing better again and doing well and getting something out of this than I ever will about any single grade. That said, so how I grade these is I put all of them in a spreadsheet, and I went through all of them, so I just have a couple notes here. So for one, just a general note on the extra credit. There are lots and lots of videos out there about 9/11. So if this is only one of 2 extra credit opportunities, it does say something to me if you're willing to, do the extra credit. So anyway, there are plenty out there. Not a very good answer that you couldn't find anything. Also, so how the expectation here is you didn't have to have a big submission in terms of what you know. You might not have known a lot. However, the what I want to know, this should have been a beefy section. This should have been lots of questions, being inquisitive about what is it that you want to know about 9/11. The what I learned, again, yeah, hopefully you learned something. So that should have been a beefier section. And then the timeline, and a beefier, and not just beefier, it's not just about how many words you give me, but also the thoughtfulness of it. Some folks were redundant and had gone back and said a bit in terms of what they already knew in the juxtaposition of what they learned. That's not what I was looking for here. So let me see what other things. Yes, this very weak what I want to know section. What I want to know and what I learned should have been the beefier / also more thoughtful sections. Extra credit, a word on extra credit. So this individual would receive a point on the extra credit, but let's go down. This would not get extra credit. This would not get extra credit. This still questionable. And I think it's more, I have to go back and see what I put for this, but that's questionable. But yeah, you had to give me more of a rationale in terms of the what your argument was for the documentary that you found and why it should be used. Okay, and then lastly, let me scroll down to the bottom here because I have some stats. Okay, so this go around, 4 people got 5 out of 5, 6 between 4 and 4.99. Nobody got 4.99. I grade in increments of 0.25, so this theoretically is 4 to 4.75, 3 to 3.75. So you have the breakdowns here to kind of see where you fall. Perfect bell curve there. And then 8 individuals earned extra credit. Also a note on how the extra credit. So the grade that you have now is not with the extra credit included. However, the extra credit for the introductions are in fact calculated into your grade. So if you got the extra credit at the end of this, at the end of the semester, you can shoot me an email and we can discuss that and how to apply that to your final grade. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope everyone's having a great Thursday. Okie doke, bye-bye.